I reached the settled region to offer bhog to Baba. As I was going, I gave the love and remembrance of all the brothers and sisters to Baba. I gave the remembrance of Sister Chandrika, Dadi's remembrance, and also the remembrance of some special children. Baba said that this month March is very special to the worldly people, and even for you Brahmin children, this is a very special month. In the world outside there is a March ending. There will be children's paper. And there is also the festival of Holi. And for you Brahmin children, there is the special month of the very closed ones, like Dadi Chandramani. First is 11th March, Kunj Dadi, 2nd March. So in this way, Baba emerged everyone with a great love. Baba said, for you children, every day, every moment is always new. And it will be unique from the world. In the world outside, when anybody accomplishes any task and they begin with a new task, they make a swastika, they write Om, that is the meaning of swastika. But they don't know the meaning of swastika, but they think it to be very pure. For you Brahmin children, every day and every moment is pure and elevated, because it is only you children who circle all the 4 ages. By coming around the 4 ages, you become the world emperors. From the beginning till the end, you children play your parts. And therefore, this drama cycle for you children, Baba reminds you about this. The worldly people, they celebrate the day and the moments. But you children, you come around the whole cycle, and Baba has made you to stand at the confluence age. And therefore, for you children, every day of the confluence age is so elevated and great. Baba looks at the horoscope of you children. Dadis were emerged. Dadi Chandrika was also emerged. Baba said, this child was ordinary and simple and was the image of simplicity and had a great love for the yajna. She had a great love for Baba and therefore had great love for the service. Baba was looking at her and saying, Baba said, the fortune of every child is very elevated, and Baba specially looks at that child as how much income she has earned and what she is taking with her. In this way, Baba is very proud to see all of his children, that each of my Brahmin children, in a very incognito way, are playing their parts, are accumulating their charity. So Baba is looking at the fortune in Baba's account. Baba emerged everyone, even the dadis as well. The book plate was already kept in front of Baba. Today Baba, with a great love, fed both to dadis. Our sister Chandrika, she left her body recently. So Baba, looking at his children, is having unlimited happiness. Saying this, Baba emerged everyone. Baba fed the bhog of Madhuban to everyone. Our sister Chandrika also said, give my love and remembrance to everyone, because in the part of sudden, Baba called me to the subtle world suddenly. I said, you gave the thought to Baba and therefore Baba called you to the subtle world. And the sister said, Baba called me very early. Baba gave the love and remembrance to each one. I took Baba's love and remembrance, and I also gave the remembrance of Holi. Baba said, Holi festival is celebrated with a great splendor. Every day for you children is holy. From the day you have belonged to Baba, along with being Brahmin children, you have borne the band of purity, and therefore your children understand the meaning of holy. Baba showered the knowledge on everyone and also had a physical sprinkle of rose water on everyone. I took Baba's love and remembrance and came down. Om Shanti.